All right, so in tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our artificial intelligence course and we're back inside our optimization module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we went over a few topics, but the one we're going to talk about tonight is the backtrack and search. So let's get a pick up. And so there are some ways we can try and revise this idea of a search algorithm to apply specifically for a problem like a consistent satisfaction problem. And it turns out that the search algorithm we'll generally use when talking about constraint satisfaction problems is a backtracking search. And the big idea behind backtracking search is we'll go ahead and make assignments from variables to values. And if ever we get stuck where we can no longer make any further progress within our constraints, we'll go ahead and backtrack and try something else instead. So the very basic sketch of what backtracking search looks like is this. And we do have a pseudo code of how we will implement the backtracking search. So our function backtrack takes in two variables or two parameters, assignment CSP. If assignment complete, return assignment. Variable equals select unassigned variable assignment CSP for value and domain values. Var assignment CSP if value consistent with assignment. That means if the value that we want to add to our domain is actually consistent with the assignment, we'll go ahead and add it. You see that's here with the add variable equals value to assignment. Result equals backtrack assignment CSP. If the result does not equals failure, we'll go ahead and return that result. But if the result does equal failure, we'll remove that variable from the assignment and return failure. Now, this is the idea for backtracking search. Take each of the variables, try values for them, and recursively try backtracking to see if we can make progress. And if ever we run into a dead end where we return failure, which takes to the top of the algorithm and try something else instead. And that was just a general basic touch on the backtracking search. There was a lot more that we went into, but we're gonna leave it there for the night. We did take a lot of notes and we made a lot of progress. And I'll keep you guys posted as usual. But for now, this is the Python Poppy, and you guys stay Gucci.